Hey lads, TechScanning here. So there is no doubt that the Xiaomi is working on its next big phone, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, as it is confirmed by the company's CEO back in August last year. And without hinting any launch date, he revealed that the upcoming Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be sold globally unlike its predecessor. Most likely this is because the Xiaomi 12s Ultra got an excellent response from customers in China, pushing the company to go global with its Ultra model. So around a week ago, a popular tipster shared the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will debut sometime in May. However, now a poster leaked online revealing the exact launch date and time of Xiaomi's upcoming camera phone. And according to that, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will launch in China on April 17 at 7 PM. Looking at the poster, one can easily say Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be all about the cameras. And we will continue to see Xiaomi's partnership with Leica, a legendary camera maker. There is nothing else on the poster. However, recently Xiaomi 13 Ultra has passed through the China's 3C certification and 10A listing. So considering that in mind, we could guess the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is not far away from us. Yes, maybe on the 17th of April as revealed by the leaked poster. Previously, it is revealed that the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will get a nice bump in the charging speed department from 67 to 90 watt. However, Xiaomi 13 Ultra's camera capabilities are set to make waves in the tech world. It will utilize the largest 1-inch sensor size camera for smartphones, Sony IMX 989, the same as its predecessor, while it is said to be assisted by gimbal-like stabilization. And this time there will be 4 rear camera sensors alongside the improved periscope sensor. Anyway, it seems like the Xiaomi 13 Ultra has caught the eye of the leakers, so we are likely to get more leaks on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra before its launch. Of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.